What got you into roofing in the first place?
Well, I owned my own commercial construction company, Witte Construction Services, and I was building ground up hotels. And in 2008, 2009, when all the banks, went down and they quit lending money to everybody I was building hotels for, I was left looking for something to do to make money. And through some circumstances and situations, I got introduced to some guys that were in town doing some hail damage replacement roofing, and I hooked up with them. And they kind of showed me the ropes a little bit. And 6 months later, I felt inspired to start Elevated Roofing January 1st, 2011.